Subliminal TV.
So I was gonna put the wheels on this morning, and then I realized, see, I already know. See those lug nuts? Lamborghini give us this. That goes in there. This end is not what I had. I had thought that it would be where a four-way could go on it and get that off. But it's more like an impact wrench. And I don't have one. So I went and I bought this just now because after driving today, I have time on my hands, not much going on. So as you can see, we're gonna see how this is gonna work out. Ouch, shit, that hurts. I already told them that if this doesn't work, I'm gonna bring it back. So as much as I'm tearing this packaging up, if you gotta go back, you still gotta go back. How does it go? Yeah, like that. Some kind of way. There we go. So I'm back at my walk around spot where I always bring cars when I change wheels. Finally put the wheels on the Huracan. I had one idea, then it pivoted to another idea. This is what I've landed with. I love the look. The ride height, however, is way, to me, off. Maybe not way off, you can decide, but it's off for sure. Look at this, watch this. That is a gap. But overall, these wheels, let me go back on the sunlight side. Look how nice they look. It's like jewelry. So that is brushed Vossen, brushed gold, brushed bronze. I don't think bronze, I think that's more brushed gold. But look at here. Can you see? It's too much. So 21-inch rears, 21-inch rears, 325, 25, 21, 20-inch fronts, 245, 30, 20. Obviously Michelin. So look, I haven't driven the Ferrari since I bought the Lamborghini, right? I haven't even driven the Ferrari since I bought the Lamborghini. I'm really liking this car. Yesterday, someone asked me, which one do you like more? Do you like the Ferrari more or the Lamborghini more? And I'm not sure that that's a fair question because the Lamborghini is a new car. What I like about the Ferrari is what I have always said is the fact that it is a gated car. So clinking through the gears and things like that, yes, I love that. But I'm being honest with you, the amount of fun I'm having with this car, and just, it's a different experience. It's a different experience. Really enjoying this car a lot. A few more things I'm gonna do. So like I said, I'm gonna lower it, right? And I don't like this. And I saw a couple of different models of this to put a glass trunk on. Like I don't like those shelves like that. I don't like that. So there's a few different models. One's carbon fiber. I like the OEM look because it's just a clean, sleek look, but then there is one that's kind of growing on me that I wasn't gonna get at first, but it's kind of growing on me, which is carbon fiber. I'll show a picture of it, but listen, man, I'm really liking this car. Lamborghini Huracan. Just a quick walk around. So official video, I'll be doing it soon. Got a lot of things that I got to do as far as filming for other projects. I will be doing an official video for this car pretty soon. Just wanted to show you the wheels that I got on there right now, and I'm loving it. I was gonna do the whole thing that I always do, which is have 2 sets of wheels for a car. You know, I always end up with like 2-3 sets of wheels. I had another set of wheels that was already on the way when I decided to go with these. I don't think I'm even gonna go through with it. I'm just gonna stick with these wheels, lower this car, leave it alone. The car looks great. Pictures doesn't do it justice. Video doesn't do it justice. If you're around the Atlanta area, one day you see it in person maybe. I am gonna do a cross-country road trip, so when I'm coming through, that's gonna be documented, and if you see it then, you'll see what I'm talking about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.
Subliminal TV.